In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get all your APK apps for free, be it CapCut, InShot, Canva, any of your APK apps for free. The link you are going to be using to get these apps, I'm going to be dropping it in my description, in the description of this video you are watching. So you just go there, click on it, and make proper use of it. So now let me show you how you can make use of it, how you can get them download easily. So you tap on the link. Let's wait for it to load. You tap on the link. Okay, you can see a lot and lot more of APK apps. So what are you going to do? Just search for what you want. CapCut. You can see CapCut. This is for Windows, this is for Androids, this is for your iPhones. So just tap on Android. So now you scroll up, you can see direct download. So you tap on direct download, then it's showing generating download link. So let's wait for it to generate successful. So just tap on click to download. You can see it's downloading already. So when it is done downloading, what are you going to do? Just go ahead and install. If you have gained anything from this YouTube video, please make sure you subscribe, you like, and you share. I'm going to be dropping lots and lots more of video editing, how you can do kid nursery rhymes, how you can get your advert video done, how you can create stories on YouTube. In fact, I can even show you how you can get your YouTube monetized within just a month or two. I'm going to teach you all those. So just like, share, and subscribe, and you get all those. Thank you. God bless you, and thanks for watching.